Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one going in. I'm going to build a paracord frame and use really thin white shade cloth to try to build an enclosure for my newly planted zucchini and squash plants. I got 3 zucchini and 2 squash. This is, I think, my 14th attempt to try to keep the squash vine borers off of my plants. Okay, so we got a little frame to put the white cloth on. We're good to go. And this is the latest version of the anti-squash vine borer remedy. I've got this, it's actually a little fine screen I got online, 15 by 15, but all the edges buttoned down and the water and rain can still go through it. We'll see what happens. I will have to get up in the morning and fertilize them by hand, but I've only got 5 plants, so I'm good to go. I can see how big they are right now. They're growing fast. We've had about 2 inches of rain in the last 2 weeks.